Welcome to Ask an Expert. Hi, this is John Appleson, Marketing Manager with Pepperl+Fuchs. Today I'm joined by Casey Sutton. Casey works as an application engineer here at Pepperl+Fuchs. So welcome, Casey, and thanks for being here.
Hi, John. Thanks for asking me.
Okay, Casey, let's get started. First question asks about creating two separate OSI interface circuits on one gateway, the VBG ENX K20D. This customer would like to know if this would require extended addressing. He also states that some of his devices cannot support extended addresses or any nodes with A or B, but still wishes to create two circuits, each one with nodes 1 through 31. Casey, will our customer encounter addressing issues?
No. Putting two OSI networks on one gateway does not require extended addressing. He can have both networks on his gateway with any combination of half and full addresses. The only stipulation here is that he cannot have a half and a full address on the same number.
All right, Casey. Regarding the ML8 retroreflective sensor, this customer would like to know what wire colors correspond with connections 1 through 4 and what they do. Can you also explain the notations OV and Q on the datasheet for this sensor?
With this sensor, pin 1 is brown for your plus supply voltage, pin 2 is white, which isn't used on this sensor, pin 3 is black for your output wire, and pin 4 is blue for your common DC connection. The 0-volt notation is for your DC common connection, while the Q notation is for your output connection.
All right, we have a customer using our UB4000-30GM series ultrasonic sensor and is finding that the beam pattern is too wide, causing false detection. He's using it in a bin for tank content detection. What are your thoughts on this?
In this application, there was a ledge in the sensor's field of view. Now he needed the entire 4 meters, so we couldn't reduce the range to make the beam narrower. So what we did was move the sensor to a more central location so that the ledge was not in the field of view.
Okay, last question. This customer is looking to measure the density and color differentiation of a marking within a medium. What can you recommend here?
What I recommend for this particular application is the VCS 110 color sensor. This sensor has discrete outputs and can store up to 10 different colors and tolerances.
Well, that concludes this segment of Ask an Expert. I want to thank Casey for joining me today and thank our audience as well. For additional information, here are 5 easy ways to connect with us.